Amar and Ravi, two longtime friends, were sitting in a cozy little cafe, sipping on their well-loved cups of masala chai. Both enjoyed the leisurely pace of a Sunday morning, catching up and discussing everything from cricket matches to career prospects. Amar leaned back in his chair and sighed deeply. "You know, Ravi, my old laptop has been misbehaving lately. I'm thinking it might finally be time to replace it," Amar confessed, swirling the remnants of his chai thoughtfully. Ravi, ever practical and always on the lookout for a good deal, perked up immediately. "Why don't you check out usedcomputerindia.com? It's a great site for finding well-maintained second-hand computers at reasonable prices." Amar raised an eyebrow, intrigued but skeptical. "Really? I've always heard mixed things about buying used electronics." Ravi nodded in understanding and replied, "I get why you'd be cautious, but I've bought from there twice now and both experiences were pretty solid. Their rating system is reliable, and you can see reviews from other buyers, plus they have a return policy if the item doesn't match the description." Amar twirled his spoon in thought. Still sounds a bit risky, but I can't deny how expensive new laptops can be. "What kind of models do they usually have?" Ravi took a sip from his cup before answering. "They have everything from older versions of MacBooks to the latest gaming laptops. You might even find something with better specs than what you'd get new for the same price." Amar's eyes lit up at the thought of a shiny, new-to-him device that could outperform his current one. "All right, you've convinced me," he chuckled, pulling out his phone. "Let's take a look right now." The two friends spent the rest of their morning browsing listings, commenting on the deals they found, and reminiscing about shared gaming experiences from their university days. By the end of it, Amar felt confident about making his purchase and was grateful for Ravi's helpful suggestion. As they prepared to leave, Amar said, "Thanks for the tip, Ravi. I owe you one. Maybe lunch next Sunday?" Ravi smiled and nodded. "It's a date, just promise you'll beat your high score by then, so I have some competition." With that, they parted ways, each feeling a little richer for the experience, not only in terms of good deals but also in cherished friendship.